Baler, please. Hello, good morning, good evening. Welcome back to my channel and you are all welcome.
Baler, Aurora is...
My hometown when I was young.
Welcome back.
Yeah. I born in this province.
Born in Aurora province,
Yeah.
raised in the Buco farm, pineapple farms. But you always came to this beach as a girl, right?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome home. Keeping it moving Monday morning at Sabang Beach. Headed out. Shouts to Nina's transient house. Beach is right out there. You can see the ocean. And I heard a chicken say Fleeky Floaster.
Good morning.
That's one of my nicknames for her. I saw one running. Well, there's a imported chicken. Looks like we got a deaky dog. Oh, shoot.
Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone.
Yeah, Licel just saved me from something that dog did. We're gonna leave him alone. He's eating, trying to find some garbage. It looks like people do come out here with their dogs just like they do anywhere else in the world. Yeah. Watch out for the deaky waves.
Baler, please.
Sun is coming up.
Baler, please.
That's where we were fish hunting yesterday. That rock over there. And we're heading into the forest, the waterfall, the Mother's Falls. If we want to do some bird hunting, we got to get moving though. But we'll watch sunrise here at the famous Sabang Beach, the surfing beach. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you're wearing... I left my slippers in the car, so I'm the cameraman. Licel today is playing in your hometown beach. Sun is coming up. Ready to get a coffee and just watch the waves?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Lola Don, as we call her here for the kids, and out it's to all our family in America, our friends, Norland, DJ, Monina, Raquel, business partners, coaches, Ann, Kate, Vivian, Ramona, mentors. Yep. Make it possible to come out here more often in the future. Yeah, Tina, Peter Johnson, Dad's entire family. Yeah, Tiki. Oh, yeah, and Tiki. Love the beach here. And shout outs to Emily and Mackenzie. Next big travel will be their wedding, but we got a lot of travel for this trip remaining, right?
Yeah. Next week we are in the Aqua Plus in Subic.
Oh, yeah. Bird hunting in Subic.
Yes.
Because I think Mother Falls... Yeah, Mother Falls, I might have some luck, but we'll have a big group of people.
Yeah.
All right, shout out to our family here, all sleeping. Yep. We didn't want to wait. So they're celebrating coming and seeing your hometown, honey. You're the family matriarchs. They're celebrating you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Baler, please.
Lifeguard tower. Looking for coffee, honey. Julia told us to keep going. So plenty of places to stay when you're in Baler. We recommend Nina's. You can just bring your own beer. That is why this romantic beach morning with my wife. Everyone else is sleeping in. Nice boardwalk, though.
Baler, please.
Plenty of surf schools if you want to learn. Shout out to Goofy. There's a buko tree. Coconut is in English. That's just the coconut that's still on the tree. I'm showing the buko trees a coconut, but buko is coconut on the tree, right? And then niog is when it's off the tree.
Yeah.
Ready to eat?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Ready for coffee? Still looking.
Still looking there.
Okay.
Baler, please.
So we're back at Nina's transient house. Yeah. Licel's just knocking the sand off her feet.
Oh,
Lamigna.
malamig.
Yeah, it's cold. But there's like a rooftop gaming deck and parking. Kind of hard to see a lot of the amenities, but we'll get you. Yeah, a little kiddie pool. Yeah. Highly recommended. Shout outs to Nina's. For the Johnson travel journey, Kyrie's going bird hunting again. See you soon, Mother Falls. Bye for now.
Bye for now. See you in the Mother Falls.